In this video, I will show how to create brochure with Microsoft Publisher. So open Microsoft Publisher, then click on File, New, and here search brochure. So here is the list of ready to use brochure template. According you need, you can select. Click on create. Here you can make changes according your need. You can change color, picture. To change picture, double click on it, and here just click on change picture. Here you can change your text. So this is the way you can create brochure in Microsoft Publisher. Thanks for watching.